perception has intentionality in this sense. There's no way I can have this experience without it seeming to me, at least, even if it's a hallucination, it does seem to me that I'm seeing my hand in front of my face. Mistaken cases of intentionality, like having a hallucination, are like false beliefs. A belief doesn't cease to be an intentional phenomenon because it can be false. And similarly with the possibility of error, delusion, and hallucination. So the first thing to notice is that intentionality, the definition of intentionality, seems to fit perceptual experience. But if we go through the formal features, and they're going to be important for our discussion, then it seems to me that you get a fairly clear sense in which intentionality, the concept of intentionality, applies to perceptual experiences. And one way to see it is to see that the formal features that have been developed for discussing things like belief and desire also apply to vision. The first formal feature is to see that you need a distinction between the content and the type, between believing that it's raining, hoping that it's raining, fearing that it's raining, wishing that it were raining. All of those allow for a distinction between the type of state and the content of the state. That works just fine for visual experience. Just as I can believe that it's raining, hope that it's raining, so I can see that it's raining. I can hear that it's raining. The distinction between type and content applies to perceptual experiences. But the second feature, and that is that the whole point of this, the biological function of intentionality, is to represent objects and states of affairs in the world, and that applies to perceptual experiences. And I put that by saying that these guys up here, they have the beliefs and desires are the philosopher's favorites. They have conditions of satisfaction. So there'll be conditions under which my belief is true, conditions under which my desire is fulfilled, conditions under which my intention is carried out. That works for visual experience as well. And the visual experience also has conditions of satisfaction. And indeed, the single most general feature of intentionality that you can ascribe is that intentional states in general are representations of their conditions of satisfaction. But now, a third feature of intentionality that applies across the board in these cases is that you have different ways of it, that intentional phenomena have of relating to the world, and I call those different directions of fit. The aim of beliefs is to be true, to match an independently existing reality. The aim of desires is not to be true, but to be satisfied. Reality changes to match the content of desire. And these two directions of fit are, I represent with a downward arrow for the mind-to-world direction of fit, characteristics of beliefs, and the world-to-mind direction of fit, where the aim is to get the world to change to match the content of the mind. So this is mind to world for beliefs, and world to mind for desires and intentions, where the aim, as I said, is to get the world to change. The simplest test for the presence of this direction of fit is, can you literally characterize it as true or false? So beliefs can literally be true or false in a way that intentions cannot. Okay, now notice that all applies to perceptual experiences and, by the way, intentional actions. Perceptual experiences, like beliefs, have the mind-to-world direction of fit. For a reason I'll tell you in a moment, they don't characteristically get called true, and that's why we have to invent this somewhat fakey word, veridical, which means true, effectively, when we talk about our perceptual experiences, when they're in fact satisfied. And finally, there's a fourth feature of perceptual experiences that is also common to lots of intentional phenomena, and that is that the experience itself has to function in the conditions of satisfaction. It's like intentional actions or memories, where the memory is satisfied only if the event that you remember caused you to have the memory of it. And similarly, if you intend to do something, your intention will be satisfied only if the intention itself functioned causally in bringing out the rest of the conditions of satisfaction. And I call that feature causal self-reflexivity. And notice that applies to visual experience as well. So I really succeed in seeing my hand in front of my face only if my hand being in front of my face causes me to have the experience of seeing. Have a causally self-reflexive feature in the conditions of satisfaction. Okay, so I'm going to assume that I've justified the claim that intentional states are, that a perception is a form of intentionality. That the formal, both it satisfies the definition and the formal features of intentionality are characteristics of perceptual states. One last argument for the intentionality of perceptual experiences. The arguments that I have seen against it seem to me to show exactly the opposite of what they're supposed to show. Here's an argument against me by Fred Dretsky. Dretsky says, look, suppose I'm driving my car and I see a speck on the windshield and I think it's a car in the distance. I think it's a car way off in the distance. Well, he says that shows that perceptual experience is not intentional. I don't think it shows that at all. I had an experience which I mistakenly took to be a perception of a car in the distance. That is to say, the conditions of satisfaction are that there is a car in the distance. It's represented with this downward direction of fit, and it has causal self-reflexivity because the car in the distance, if it's in fact there, is supposed to cause the perceptual experience. Later on, I discovered there was no such car. It was just a spot on the windshield. Notice that once I make this correction, the experience changes. It stops looking like a car and starts looking like a spot on the windshield. And this is characteristic of perceptual experience. That the quality of the experience, the content of the experience, is affected by the beliefs that you have. If you ever go to Hollywood, go on to their, I don't recommend Los Angeles, not my favorite place. But anyway, if you're there, go on and look at the movie sets. And what's interesting, if you know that you're in a fake version of a Western town, and that's not really a saloon, it's just a facade, it looks different. I mean, you know you can go around the back and peek around, and there's no building there. It's just the front of the building. It looks thinner. Once you know the facts, it doesn't look the same. Similarly, once you know that it's not a Volkswagen Beetle, but a speck on the windshield, it stops looking like a Volkswagen and starts looking like a speck on the windshield. So, all right, I'm going to assume then that we can safely take it for granted that perceptual experience has the features of intentionality, and it's correct to describe it in intentionalistic terms. Now I want to tell you what's special about perceptual experience. And this really makes it different from other forms of intentionality, such as beliefs and desires. And this is going to take me a few minutes, but anyway, we'll get to it. The first point at which it's special is, I think it's wrong, misleading, to say that a visual experience is a representation of the world. That makes it look as if it were a kind of picture. But the visual experience gives me a direct presentation of the world. And this is most obvious in the case of a tactile experience. I see this rostrum, and I feel this rostrum, and I want to say it's better to describe those not as representations, but as presentations. I have direct presentation of the condition of satisfaction. So it's presentation versus representation, and the representation seems to me a much too weak a notion for this direct contact that I have with the real world. Now, if we define representation as anything with a condition of satisfaction, then presentations will be a special case. But all the same, I want to emphasize